Hello friends, myself Professor Joshi VM from Earthsource Technical Campus, Chas, Ahmednagar. Last in last experiment, we have discussed about the speed control of three-phase induction motor by using V by F method. In this experiment, in this experiment, we have discussed about speed control of three-phase slip ring induction motor using rotor resistance starter. So the aim of experiment is that control the speed of control the speed of three-phase slip ring induction motor using rotor resistance starter. Rotor resistance starter. So the apparatus required for this experiment is three-phase slip ring induction motor, The specification of slip ring induction motor is 230 volt, 3-phase, 7.8 ampere and 1500 rpm. Second, rotor resistance starter. Rotor resistance starter. The specification of rotor resistance starter is 3-phase, 10 ampere and the voltage rating is 150 volt. After that we required one voltmeter of 0 to 300 volt and MI type voltmeter. Fourth is ammeter. The current rating of ammeter is 0 to 5 ampere, and after that last we required tachometer to check the speed of induction motor. So now we draw here circuit diagram. We draw here circuit diagram. So I will explain you how to draw the circuit diagram. Start from your left hand side. Give the electrical supply of three phase R, Y and B. After that you have to draw the switch for three phase supply. You have to draw switch of three phase supply. After that continue this three phase supply and firstly draw ammeter in R phase. Then stator winding, give this supply to the stator winding. So draw here stator winding, three phase stator winding. It is a stator winding. Now draw here parallel rotor winding with three phase supply. Now this is the three-phase rotor winding, but here we have to connect a slip rings. So we connect here slip rings. These are the three slip rings. Connect them with the three-phase winding. These are the brushes which gives external supply, and rotor resistance starter. Which is short circuited, and all the resistances are variable resistance. This is the stator winding, this is the rotor winding, and connect one voltmeter across the R phase and Y phase. This is R phase, this is Y, and this is a B phase, and here three phase 440 volt 50 hertz AC supply is given as a input. So now we discuss what is the procedure to control the three-phase slip ring induction motor using rotor resistance starter. First step, connect the circuit as shown in figure. That is, connect your circuit as shown in above circuit diagram. Second, switch on the supply and increase the input voltage increase the input voltage to stator winding up to its rated value. Third step we have to do, measure the speed by using the tachometer. Next, fourth step, decrease the rotor resistance. This rotor resistance in steps, and note down the corresponding value of speed. That means by using the tachometer. After that, fifth number of step, draw a graph of rotor resistance versus speed. Rotor resistance versus speed means here rotor resistance, and here we have to use speed, Ra versus N. While doing experiment, we have to take some precautions. First precaution, do not switch on supply without connection. Check thoroughly by compartment staff, means you have to check your connection or supply by the lab assistant or the respected teacher, and do not touch any live connection or making connection when the switch is alive. You have to stop or off the all loads, and after that please check the connections. And third precaution is that ensure that the rotor resistance is kept initially at 100% resistance position. You have to give maximum resistance initially. After that start your experiment. While doing the experiment, we have to take some observations and calculations. So I did this experiment and I will give you all the observations here. First observations. So stator supply voltage is 415 volt. Then external rotor resistance, then speed in RPM and stator current. We have to take these readings by conducting the actual experiment. This external rotor resistance in ohms approximate percent of external resistance in rotor circuit, means these are in percentage. First in third precaution we discuss about we have to take highest resistance. That means your first reading is about to 100%, means full resistance. Then the speed you calculated is 1315 rpm. For this speed we measure the current 3.4 ampere. The second resistance is 75%, so the corresponding speed is 1354 3.3 ampere. After that, third 50%, the speed is 1408 and the current is 3.2 ampere. The fourth resistance level is 25% and the speed is 1490 and the current is 3 ampere. And the last one is, if the resistance is 0%, means high conduction, the speed is 1490 3 ampere, near about to the rated speed, and the current for that is 3 ampere. Here we observe that when we decreases the resistance, the speed of the induction motor is increased. Means if the resistance is 100%, the speed is lower 1350, current is higher. If the speed is at 0%, we gives maximum or the near about the rated speed of induction motor. So the conclusion is that we have concluded that if with increase in rotor resistance, there is a corresponding decrease in the speed. The rotor current is found and rotor current is change with increase in speed. This is the conclusion of the experiment. I hope you understand this experiment very well. Thank you.